YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to the freaking channel. Welcome back to 90, what do we got? 95 degrees out today. It's freaking gross. Today, I'm gonna give you guys like an update on the smart car because I guess I just realized we haven't really given you much of an update on the smart car. We have a lot of things going on with it. We haven't really driven it or done anything with it, but we have done some mods to it. As you guys know, we had the straight pipe exhaust. Sounds incredible. We put a hitch on here for something sweet. We've got tow hooks on the front and back, so if we get stuck in the water again, we will not be stuck in the water again. So we got the tow hooks on. We've got roof racks on. It is like a universal Amazon one. So I don't really know. I mean, it's on there pretty well. We're gonna test it out today. Oh yeah! We're gonna go pick up energy drinks. And we're gonna see how many energy drinks we can fit in the smart car with two humans. Let's go. Think it'll stay on? Maybe?
I think it's this.
Oh, that could be. Look at that thing. Oh, it looks nice on there. You think it's highway worthy? Oh, I don't think they're ready.
Ready for a delivery smart car.
Alright, shout out to Lucky's. They were able to find our energy drinks. So we got this great idea that maybe we should just bring the smart car into the building to load it. There's the goods. Don't be tipping them over. They almost match your shoe.
The market is just not crazy. Our daily offer.
Get it! Get it! It's raining! Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. Huge shout out to Lucky's for hooking it up in one day because Amazon does not have these anymore.
Super
What is that, 20 cases? 20 cases of
20.
Reign Gummy Bear energy drinks. And it fit in here like a champ. I bet you we could have done 30. For sure 30. Alright, let's see how she does with this extra weight. And air conditioning.
Add a little extra weight.
And an intake. I forgot to tell them we got an intake in here. Why is it shifting gears? Dude, takes it like a champ.
All that rain.
So much rain. That's what we've had to use the wipers. We got so much rain.
Rain on the outside and rain on the inside.
My wife's gonna be so proud of me. That camping weekend, and we're gonna have rains for days. That was bad. Why did it do that?
Stay on that gas, boy.
It just stopped working.
Come on, Ray.
Oh,
Let's go.
it's floored. Oh, here we go. All right, that's a wrap. 20 cases.
Daddy, can I hold a darkie?
Whoa. Boomtown. That hitch. Yep. All right, so there's the smart car. She is back home, safe and sound. We've got our reins. Huge shout out to the homies over at Lucky's. They were able to hook us up with that. We could have got more. We could have got 30 cases on this thing. So we're kind of on a mission to make this the most practical smart car pretty much in the world. And I think we've done a good job. We can now haul everything we need. We have a trailer hitch. We have tow hooks if we get stuck. I mean, we've got ice cold air conditioning. We've got some oversized tires on it. So far, that's everything we've done. We've done a cold air intake, which I don't think it's really considered cold air because it's not cold air whatsoever. It's just an intake. And we've got our tow hooks. We've got our roof rack. We've got our, well, we got our roof, whatever this is, our roof basket. On our roof racks, we've got our exhaust. We've got tires. And we've got tow hooks. We've got a big old mirror so we can see everything. We've got some in-dash navigation. I mean, she's set up. This thing's ready to go. So stay tuned if you want to see some more content. Well, let's see, what else do we have going on? So what you can expect to see on the channel coming up is going to be jet boating. The jet boat is fixed. There's the brand new parts in there. Everything is running absolutely perfect on the jet boat. We just need to get it out, get it moving. We've got some big plans for the jet boat. I was gonna trade my truck in. I'm not, but my truck is getting, if you're into truck content, we will be doing something a lot bigger. The Honda stuff, I have no clue what to do with these cars. I wanna put a K-Series in this. This car's technically sold. I have to get this thing delivered to Chicago. I don't know. I might just let this sit here because it's literally perfect. With that being said, stay tuned. We have truck content, smart car content, jet boat content. We have rallies. We have 3 more rallies coming up. It is 95 degrees. It's hot. It is hot, hot, hot. But that's, for now, that's all I got, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Go over. We do have merch. I have not pushed my merch hard at all because, I don't know, because I've been busy actually out. Oh, goodness. I've been busy out actually running companies, actually making money, which I have to do in order to make content, because if I do not make money, I do not have cars. Show us some love, hit that subscribe button, and with that, I'm out. Peace.